Hey everyone, haven't checked out this repo yet? You should definitely check it out. This Wing360 CLI, it's a coding tool at the tip of your finger that we just released a new feature that can allow you to conduct web search. Just pip install it and you'll be able to have it. For example, here I'm in my terminal. I can start by saying Wing360. It will pop out a conversation session, and all I need to do is to type in search the top machine learning repo and their URL, and Wing360 will think about it. And boom, just like that, it will give me a list of repositories for me to read. Now I can essentially pick any one of them. For example, I can highlight the second one, machine learning for beginners, copy, and I can simply say, can you clone this repo for me? And paste the link here, and Wing360 agent will copy this repo locally for you with your permission. Here, I'm typing in letter Y, hit enter, and it will execute the command on my behalf. And boom, there you go. Here we have on a directory, machine learning for beginners. It's all downloaded here. And now I can then go ahead and read these folders one by one. For example, I can click the path of this README file and say, summarize this file for me, and put the file path down there. And the system will then tell me exactly what it's doing. Boom, just like that. Thank you for watching. Hopefully this is helpful. Check it out, Wing360 CLI, and I'll see you in the next video.